Hi guys, this is 99 Mitsubishi Pajero Q model. So I'm going to go replace today the engine mount. This is the engine mount. So you can see the engine mount bolt in here, like a 17 mil bolt. You are putting 17 mil spanner to undo it. You can see the engine, the bracket in there. So here the underneath the engine mount, this location in here. This is the left hand side engine mount. So you can see the gap on here. It's hitting together in here. It's a no gap. It's touching together. So when we start the car, we have some noise in there. It's not broken, but here is the hitting together. Okay, here the 14 mil bolt for the engine mount. Take it out, that's a 14 mil nut and washer. I put the transmission jack and the engine mount getting up. So you can see the difference is in the gap and this gap. It's a very big gap. So we're going to do Okay guys, you can see that now I install the new engine mount. You can see here the gap. It's not touching together now. So we tied the 14 mil bolt Okay, we're going to install the top 17 bolt. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We'll see you in the next one.